Lolly. Do it again. To the camera. Oh my god. Aww. It was murr. Murr.
Yeah, and tell them about the last time you were licking eyes.
Stop licking eyes. Oh god, he's doing it again. Look, look, look. He's like spazzing.
You don't lick eyes. So you're telling me that last night I
What are you doing on my Koski coach?
Ow!
He's like, no, let me bob my head. I need to bob my head and pee.
Ow, 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 ow!
Shelly, I woke up last night and Sugani was licking Stitch's eyes.
I told you!
He's like, no, I want to bob my head. He doesn't want to leave me.
What are you doing? You're taking this fucking nail polish off. You're gonna die.
No. What are you doing? Hey, Rudy.
Oh, shit!
Look, he's taunting you, he's bobbing his head.
Yeah, really hard.
He's like, yeah, bitch.
That bird's the devil.
Yo, he doesn't want to leave.
And he's hissing at me, too. Like, what the
I think it's his war cry. He's bobbing his head to tell you to F off.
Come on, I raised you as a little baby. Why are you tormenting me, you freaking devil's left nut?
Once the bird gets on me, it's like, no,
shit.
this is my home. How hard?
Really hard.
Come here, Lolly. Come here. Oh, that's so cute.
Okay, you put her in the cage.
He went, great. Oh my god. Look at his head, look at his head.
Let me pet you. Let me love
I think he's gonna lick my eye.
you.
Yeah, watch out for that.
Her spit is poison.
Yeah, but apparently it's really cute when she does that.
Oh my god.